Get into a car with value. 2018 Kia Optima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this handsome and capable Optima. This family-friendly midsize sedan creates a serenely spacious environment while giving you all the advantages of driver assist tech, infotainment, and modern connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You deserve the comfort and convenience of this striking Optima. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.